Hello friends, welcome back to Mera, Bharat, Back to Basics. We're back with another exciting video, and this time we're diving deep into the world of superfoods with none other than the incredible Jowar. Jowar, also known as sorghum, is not just your ordinary grain. It's a nutritional powerhouse that brings a whole bunch of benefits to the table. Jowar, a diabetic-friendly gluten-free superfood, aids digestion, prevents constipation, and is packed with essential nutrients for overall health and vitality. Jowar has been a vital part of our traditional diets for ages. People have been growing it for thousands of years, and it's been a significant part of what we eat in different cultures worldwide. But as we started choosing more modern and processed foods, some old-fashioned grains like Jowar weren't used as much. They kind of took a back seat because the trend moved towards easier, faster foods. Now though, people are starting to appreciate Jowar again. There's a renewed interest because we're realizing how good it is for us, especially compared to some of the less healthy options we've been choosing lately. So in a way, it's like bringing back an old friend to our plates after a bit of a break. Now, you might be wondering, why is Jowar an excellent choice for those with diabetes? Well, let's break it down. Jowar has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes it a fantastic alternative to high glycemic grains and an excellent inclusion in a diabetic-friendly diet. But that's not all. The fiber content in Jowar is a game changer. Fiber plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose. Jowar is loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber, making it a double whammy for digestive health and blood sugar control. Let's address another common concern: digestion. Jowar is a fiber-rich gem, and we all know that fiber is the unsung hero of digestive health. It aids in preventing constipation, promoting a healthy gut, and supporting smooth digestion. Are you or someone you know gluten sensitive? Jowar has got you covered. Being naturally gluten-free, it's a fantastic alternative for those with celiac disease or anyone looking to reduce gluten intake. Now let's talk about mota anaj, which translates to coarse grains. Millets, including Jowar, fall into this category, and they are a fantastic addition to any diet especially. These grains offer a unique blend of nutrients, including complex carbohydrates, proteins, and packed with vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients. Jowar provides a comprehensive nutritional boost. From essential B vitamins to iron and magnesium, it's a nutrient treasure trove. So, how can you incorporate this superfood into your meals? Let's head over to the kitchen and whip up a simple and delicious Jowar recipe that's perfect for anyone looking to keep their blood sugar in check. Instant pot Jowar with paneer recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup Jowar, sorghum, soaked overnight water for soaking, fresh water for cooking, salt to taste, thinner, or water for filtration if needed. Paneer, cut into small pieces. Instructions: Step 1. Soaking Jowar, rinse. 1 cup of Jowar thoroughly under running water. Place the rinsed Jowar in a bowl and cover it with water. Allow it to soak overnight or for at least 8 hours. Step 2. Cleaning in the morning. In the morning, drain the soaked Jowar using a fine mesh sieve or colander. Rinse it under fresh running water to remove any residual debris. Step 3. Cooking in the Instant Pot. Transfer the cleaned Jowar into the Instant Pot. Add enough fresh water to cover the Jowar. Season with salt according to your taste. Close the Instant Pot lid and set it to manual or pressure cook mode at low pressure. Allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Step 4. Cooling down and filtration if needed. Once the cooking cycle is complete, let the Instant Pot release pressure naturally. After opening the lid, check the consistency of the Jowar. If it's too watery, use a thinner or additional water for filtration. If not, proceed to the next step. Step 5. Adding paneer. Transfer the cooked Jowar to a mixing bowl. Add small pieces of paneer to the Jowar, mixing gently to combine. Step 6. Enjoying the dish, your Instant Pot. Jowar with paneer is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm as a wholesome and nutritious meal. This simple and flavorful recipe ensures a perfect blend of the nutty Jowar with the creamy texture of paneer. It's a delightful and healthy dish that's quick to prepare using the convenience of the Instant Pot. Alternatively, you can prepare Jowar roti also. And there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of Jowar, a superfood that not only supports diabetes management, but also brings a myriad of health perks to the table. Don't forget to hit that like button Subscribe for more superfood insights and let us know in the comments your favorite.